friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Step 1. Open the Orange app. Launch the Orange app on your smartphone. Make sure you reload into your account to access your billing information. Step 2. Navigate to the Account section. Once you're in the app, look for the Account or My Account section, usually found in the bottom menu. This is where you can find billing details. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account section, find and tap on Billing or Bill Details. This will take you to your current bill and payment history. Step 4. Review your bill. After selecting Billing Information, you can view your current bill amount, due date, and any previous bills. Take note of any extra charges that might appear. Step 5. Set up notifications. If you want to stay updated on your bills, go to the settings and enable bill notifications. This way, you won't miss any due dates. Remember, if you don't see the billing section, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy billing!